Hey guys, so as you may have been able to tell from the previous video with the time-lapse, I've gotten my hands on a tripod, so yay! Because propping it up on the kitchen sink just wasn't really working that well. So yeah, I've got my hands on one for now. I'm actually borrowing it from my younger sister, but you know, hey, who cares where it came from, right? As long as we have one. So I'm gonna have access to this one until I'm able to afford to get one of my own, and we'll just keep upgrading as we go. So we've got our axe head here. Give you some more midway shots. We're gonna see what we can do to get this cleaned up just a little bit more and maybe sharpened. So let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with a little bit of 180 grit sandpaper. Okay, so for now, I might end up hitting it with just a little more sandpaper between this video segment and when we put the handle on it. But for now, I'm going to jump to sharpening. Alright guys, I've got it set up for sharpening here. Now, I have never done this before as far as having a lot of experience. I've attempted it once before on an axe at home, just from what I've learned off of YouTube, so we're going to go for it. I'm armed with a, bumped the camera tripod there, armed with a bastard file, along with my recently acquired cast iron file handle by Durbin Durco from St. Louis, Missouri, manufactured in my home state. So let's see what we can do here. Okay guys, so here's what we've got so far. Hopefully this angle is good. Let me do this. There we go. Okay. Now if the camera will refocus. Here it's chipped down due to the rust damage, and then basically all along the length, but it gets worse right about here. There's some pitting, and it's going to take a lot more metal away in order to get that out. So I think I'm just going to leave it and see where we go from here. Also, between now and the next episode, I'm going to take some more sandpaper to it, just clean it up a tad more. So yeah, for now, that's going to be it for this episode. I'll see you next episode when we get a handle put on this and you can see the results after I've put a little more sandpaper on it. See ya.